Yesterday, I ran a campaign at a daily budget of $20 and set two ad groups. Okay. The night I noticed that I was charged $40. Fine. Now I want to know, do each ad groups charge individually, though I set a daily budget at $20 in the campaign. So you will find that on some days Google is going to charge you more, and don't freak out. At the end of 30 days or in that month, Google will not charge you more than 30.4 days times your budget, whatever you have put in. So next day it might come down to 30 or 20 or whatever. Let it run. Don't get stressed about Google charging double. You, if your budget is, let's say, $20 a day times 30.4 days, you will not get charged more than that. If they do, Google is going to not charge you or refund you for that excessive amount.